Hello friends, welcome to another week of the Speed Vlog. Veda, what are you doing with your hair?
So sometimes when I'm stressed out, I lose my hair, like big, long pieces of hair. So I've been noticing that that's happening a little bit more today.
I mean, you still have a full head of hair.
I have a full head of hair, but like it's not that it's, so it's when it's breaking, that it's like damaged, but then there's when it's coming out like at the root. That's the stress, and I've got a lot of that. Anyway.
Well, I've got no stress, just sweetness because I'm going to Sugarland, Texas.
All right, well, you better be fucking stressed. You gotta lock in here.
I gotta lock in. I am locked in.
You lost 2 weeks in a row. Like, what is
that? Nope, that's done. That's behind me. I am locked in. I am refreshed. I am a new man. I am ready to go. Take over Houston. Sugarland.
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 All right.
All right, friends, it's Wednesday. We're in Sugarland, Texas for AEW Dynamite. You know what that means. Got a full day ahead of us. Let's hit it. For what? Hi, little guy. This is amazing. Hi.
I know that hurt. She's in the big on kisses.
Oh yeah, I got her full nose in her house section. Bye.
Fendi. Hello. Yeah, some kisses. Good boy. This is Gus. Look at this guy. They're so good.
Lovely dogs.
Right?
Not like those ones we have in the ring.
Those ones are bad.
They're terrible dogs.
We got some bad dogs. This is a good dog. Hey, Brandon Cutler, what you got there?
Little wrestling ring clicker. It's addicting.
A little clicky boy.
Yeah, it is. Great.
Wow, boy, I wish I could get one.
Spoiler alert for things to come, guys. I'm gonna be adding keychains on these suckers.
Whoa.
Put them on your backpacks, on your bags, walk around, go to wrestling conventions, put it on your belt loop, like that. Hang around.
And you sell those?
Yes, I sell them on my Etsy.
I love buying crap off Etsy.
It's addicting. This is addicting. 3D printing's addicting.
3D printing seems very fun.
It is. It's a rabbit hole I've deep dived into.
So how difficult was it to get the...
It was like 3 tries I did it. I did one that was like geometrically correct, and the ropes and the turnbuckles were like the right proportions, but it was such a pain to put together. So I made this one a little more chunky. Because I'm like, if you're going to be wanting to wail away and clicking on this thing, you want it to be able to withstand some hits, you know?
Do they last? Do they break?
They
How
last,
many clicks do they run?
I don't know. I've yet to see, but I mean, you could get hundreds within seconds, so you could probably get millions of clicks.
Millions of
clicks, like what your YouTube series should get. Millions.
Hopefully,
of clicks.
yeah. Hopefully this gets millions
Subscribers,
of clicks.
clicks, notifications, bells on, whatever.
Boom.
All the
All
works.
the comments.
Yeah.
So one thing about my vlog is that
Get in the
people do
comments.
comment a lot, and I appreciate
Nice.
it.
That's great. That's
Yeah,
great
it's
engagement.
great.
It's a
great.
good discussion.
So leave a comment and buy a clicky ring.
There you go.
From
Comment and click. Brian Cutler.
Etsy.com/
I don't know if it's as easy as that anymore. Just you can look on Etsy, wrestling ring clicker or brand Cutler.
Yeah, there we go.
Cutler clickers.
Go find it. Okay, so we're out here in Sugarland, which is basically, I don't know. We flew into Houston, right?
Yes.
Is Sugarland Houston?
Technically, everything near Houston is kind of considered Houston, but Sugarland
Right.
is like an hour outside of Houston.
I'm from Laval, right? Which
Okay.
Montreal is an island. Laval, like just outside of the island on the North Shore is Laval. On the South Shore is Morgan. I'm from Laval, but I'm still from Montreal. They
There
still
you
bill
go.
me as Montreal,
Same
Quebec.
shit.
Yeah, I'm sure.
Same shit.
From Sugarland, you still get billed as from Houston.
Houston, Texas, yeah.
Yeah.
H-Town, H-Town.
So you were, before we started this, you were about to tell me why it's called Sugarland.
Yes. I was about to inform you that it is called Sugarland because whenever slavery was around, plantation times, this is where sugar was produced. Cane sugar was fucking produced here, and it's like where it's supposedly that's what I've heard is that this is where it went down, so it was called Sugarland. This is the land of sugar.
Okay, so the intro of the vlog, right? I started by zooming out on the like inside the building where they have like all those candies and it says like Sugarland.
Oh,
I don't know.
This took a dark turn.
Me personally, I would have changed the name.
Definitely.
A long time ago.
Hey, we know how these things go, but you know, suppose that's the story I heard. I don't know. Maybe somebody fact check that. Somebody let me know. You know, let Uncle Speedy know.
Yeah, it's a very American story.
Yes,
It's very typical in these parts.
yes. I wouldn't put it past it though. But hey, you know, we gotta laugh to keep from crying. That's for sure. Oh yeah.
So what's good in Sugarland nowadays?
I don't even be out here. I really not.
Really?
I'm north side of Houston, so
Wow.
I'm never out here. Never.
So last time we were in Houston, we found out a lot more about Houston, but do they swang in Sugarland?
Are they sipping drink in Sugarland? Are they swanging and banging in Sugarland? I'm not sure, man. I'd hope so. If you're from Sugarland and you want to claim that you're a Houstonian, you got to be swanging and banging.
You got to be swanging.
You gotta
All
be
right.
swanging and banging.
All right. So we'll try to get some swanging and banging in tonight. And we're back. It's Thursday. I'm back home. So I didn't have a match in Texas. We did film some stuff, but more importantly, I have a match tonight on Honor Club, Speedball, Mystico, and the Outrunners taking on Half the Swirl and Roppongi Vice.
Two-thirds of this. Wait,
Two-thirds
no.
of the Swirl.
But they're no Lethal Twist when it's the trio.
Two-thirds.
So it's Blake Christian
Yes.
and Jay Lethal.
Right.
So I think that's 2/3 of Lethal Twist, 1/2 of the Swirl.
And
is
Jay
in there.
Lethal.
And Jay Lethal.
That's
However
right.
you want to break that up.
Yeah.
That's Global Wars, right?
That's Global Wars. And I didn't have a match, which means I get to watch the show. And I really enjoyed watching the main event, especially the part where they couldn't get their shit together, which is what happens when you put 6 of the best wrestlers in the world, admittedly, on the same team. But they're not united because they're friends or because they have similar goals. They're united because some grifty, bald, I don't even know how to describe Don Callis. There are no good qualifiers. Brought them together, paid them to be together, in fact.
I think I think the flow chart is MJF paid Don, who is like
But Don is paying the people.
distributing the money. It honestly sounds like an MLM to me.
It absolutely-
It's kind of got pyramid scheme vibes. So, just saying.
I think we can officially say it. The Don Callis family is a multi-level marketing scheme. It's a pyramid scheme. It's an MLM. Like, they could just cut out the middleman completely.
You must, and you're probably like encouraged to bring people on.
You certainly
That's your
clearly,
downline.
yes.
That's your downline. All right. Well,
But anyway, because I'm fairly sure that Rocky Romero gets a cut of Volador.
yeah, he brought him in.
He brought him in.
But eventually, what happens, like happens with all pyramid schemes / MLMs, is you run out of interested parties. And I think hopefully that's what happened to the Don Callis family. And then they have to start cannibalizing each other because the business, I don't know, I've watched a bunch of documentaries and listened to podcasts.
Well, so the question is that going to happen before it feels like it's starting already, but they're going to be in a cage, so let's see if that collapses. I will be seated. I will be watching. I am very excited, but thank you all so much for watching this very uneventful vlog this week. But I appreciate you all.